Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, enroll your keypad, because this is the panel in which we can enter the codes. Let me start with the shortest and most probably most frequently used. The code is *##06#. So this one will allow you to pretty quickly reach both IMEI and serial number. Just enter this code whenever you need them, and they will pop up within 2 seconds. Tap on OK to exit. And another code that you can use is *##, 225, #*#. And here we've got the version test. So whenever you need to check a bit more data, like product name, software version, preloaded version, compile time, barcode, also serial number, then security boot, strongbox key, then also you've got emails here, and all other data, it will be over here. So whenever you need to explore it a bit more, just use this code instead of the first one. And another code that you can use here is *## again, 4636 *##. And here we've got the testing mode, in which you can check phone information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi details. Let me start with the first panel. Under phone information, you will be able to check email number, phone number if your SIM card is inserted, roaming, data service, data network type, and so on. Just go through all of them. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, just mark run a ping test, and here it is. So that will be all. Then under user statistics, you will be able to see the statistics regarding each of your app. Then you've got also Wi-Fi information, under which you can check Wi-Fi APA configuration and status. So just mark, refresh it. Here you've got it. You can also run a ping test here if you wish. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you will be able to check all configured networks. And under APA, you've got disabled network, disconnected network, enabled network, configured networks, and connection info. So let me go back, and let's go to the last code that I want to show you today, and it is *##, 426, *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic panel. Here you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, just mark more icon and select advanced. So here you can clearly see that now you've got a bit more knowledge, a bit more details. So these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.